Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted channel for in-depth reviews and real-world insights. Today, we're diving into a product that might seem simple, but it fills a very real need: the Glovion LED light pen. If you've ever needed to write in the dark, whether you're in bed, on a night shift, camping, or traveling, you'll understand just how useful this can be. This, hands down, is the best lighted pen for writing in the dark. Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the Glovion LED light pen comes in a pack of 3, all in white, giving them a clean, professional look. Each pen features a small built-in LED light located right at the tip, angled to directly illuminate your writing surface. It's a compact design, lightweight, and easy to carry in a bag, pocket, or clipboard. The big highlight, of course, is that tiny LED. It's surprisingly bright for its size. What makes it particularly useful is the focused beam. It doesn't just glow randomly, it's directed to shine exactly where you're writing. That's perfect for journaling at night without waking someone beside you, or jotting down notes discreetly in low-light environments. Each pen includes replaceable batteries and comes ready to use. There's a small push button near the clip that controls the light, and it's intuitive. A light press turns the LED on or off, and it doesn't interfere with your grip while writing. It's practical and accessible for left or right-handed users. As for the writing experience, it uses black ink and writes smoothly like any other standard ballpoint pen. The ink flow is even, and there's no smudging or skipping, which is crucial if you're writing in less than ideal conditions. You won't sacrifice writing quality just to get illumination. Durability is solid for a pen in this price range. It's not made of metal, but the plastic feels sturdy enough to survive daily use. The clip is firm, making it easy to secure to a notebook, vest pocket, or work bag. Whether you're using this as a handy bedside tool or taking it with you to work night shifts, the construction won't disappoint. Now, who is this for? Anyone who writes in dim environments. Think nurses or doctors doing rounds at night, truck drivers filling out logs, students pulling all-nighters, or travelers journaling in tents. This isn't just a novelty, it's an actual problem solver. Another clever touch is its gift potential. If you're buying for someone practical, someone who's always scribbling notes, sketching, or working late, this is one of those items that they never knew they needed until they have it. And once they try it, they won't want to go back. In terms of value, getting 3 pens in a single pack is excellent. You can keep one in your bag, one on your desk, and one in your nightstand. Or hand them out to friends and watch their faces light up, literally and figuratively. All in all, the Glovion LED light pen doesn't try to be flashy or over-designed. It's functional, reliable, and genuinely useful. It takes something as simple as a pen and makes it better. And sometimes, that's all a great product needs to do. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you'd use your light-up pen. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and keep writing, even in the dark.